Brand new ball, steaming in.
Shot. Oh, I hope there's a photographer. Took a lovely capture. What a start to these innings. You got to be proactive, and there's a good shot on the up. Over extra cover brings up the second boundary of the over. This is great stuff by Siddiqullah. In the air, bisects the gap. Doesn't matter, as he goes all the way to bring up the first 6 of the Dragon innings with a magnificent hit on the up.
Ashpagiza, not a ruthless hit, but a touch of class and poise, accepting the pace once again that he has to be offered and guiding the ball. This is a brilliant hit. He's grown as a cricketer. Now to come back to his country and deliver such wonderful shots. Or as we speak, not in great control, but the result is something he intended to achieve.
Not the way he intended, but he certainly take the result here. Thick outside edge, or probably a top edge. I was wanting to go towards mid-wicket. The line was slightly outside the yaw stump. And certainly when the luck is in your way, it certainly goes your way. Certainly does. Finds the gap. Good timing. Good piece of fielding, and very unlucky. The field at Cow Point. He did the hard job, but couldn't stop it in the end.
If it's missing 3 people and going for 4, Yama needs to think twice before he bowls this one again.
In the air. Bowler says mine. The extra cover says mine. The bowler steadies himself and takes it. And sends off as well. Probably friendly banter. But in the end, that's something that we do not like to see being celebrated. Unfortunately, in my opinion.
Straight up in the air, Yama Arab said mine, no one come near it. As he steadied himself and took a very good catch. In the end, it eventually became one-handed. This is what you need to avoid, Yama. Thereafter, going towards the batter who's fuming under that lid.
The match referee will be keeping a note. Maybe friendly banter, but that's not on. That he does. In the air. Mid-on, mid-wicket both. Oh, says yours, and it lands safely in the middle. Unlucky Karim Janat.
Always in the danger of colliding as well. In the end, they were safe, and so is the batter, and that's a problem for both. The batter being safe. And they took the eyes of the ball. Both of them took the eyes of the ball.
Bouncer, beautifully played. Square leg in place, and Hashmatullah Shahidi opens this account with a massive 6-over square leg.
The fielder in the deep was there for a catch of this particular shot, but he took him on, believed in himself, gave it full throttle, and gained enough elevation to get it for Ashpagiza.
A lovely hit, middle of the bat. Don't think Hashmatullah Shahidi was expecting the ball to hit it for a 6. Found the gap, and a valiant attempt at square leg, just not good enough to stop the boundary.
زیات هدف وټاکه دلته حشمت الله شهیدي او یو ډبه وړاندې له طارق ستانکزي شتون هغه څه دي چې لوبې ته ښکلا ورکولی شي او دلته د ډیپ فاین لیګ فیلډر په سرکل کې او بال د 4 منډو لپاره د باونډرۍ په طرف نور احمد باندې دلته شاټ تر سره کوي حشمت الله شهیدي او بالکل 4 منډې
लेट कट खोड अगर साथ उनके शता तारिक स्थानिक जाए शपगावरा पाए तरसी की श्वेता मंडी दी ये लोग गाड़ी पजान खपेल दे रिक्वायर तपका तो बांधे